again. It's a redskin.
Welcome back to another video. So today I've got some Kredioo gel polishes. So this is a pack of 6 and they are magnetic cat eye gels. So yeah, it comes in a set of 6. I'm just going to give them a quick swatchy and just so I can see the colours and show you, and then I'll do something with them. So I've painted my swatch sticks black. These are like the old school ones that need to go over a black. Look at that red. I prefer this red just on its own, like as a metallic gel. It's absolutely stunning. I think there's an offer on at the moment on Kredioo Amazon store. I'll leave all links and info below, but yeah, I think they've got big savings on these at the minute. Look at that, just as a metallic gel on its own. I think it's so smart. I love it. So I'm just gonna I'm gonna kind of cheat, guys, just to show you. Yeah, I'm gonna cheat and do it underneath. So I'm gonna literally do that on all of these. Isn't that smart? Obviously you can do that on top of the nail, but it's just quicker and easier for me to do it under the nail. The colours on these is crazy. But yeah, these are like the old school ones that I remember when I first got into nails. These cat eyes came out. They remind me of them that have to go over a black. But I actually think I prefer these just as a gel on their own. The colour of them is amazing. So I will quickly let you watch these swatches and then we'll do something with them. So that is them all top coated with the Kredioo Super Top Coat. I really like that Super Top Coat, it's a good one. So yeah, that brownie gold one, it's got pinky purpley shimmers through it. Yeah, I really like them. I think they're really smart. That red and blue, oh my gosh. So I'm going to do something with these quickly. So I've put some really long tips on my practice hand and I'm just going to give them a quick base coat. This base coat and Super Top Coat you can get on their own in a set of 2, and they're big 15ml bottles as well. So a quick base coat, I'm going to cure that in the lamp for 30 seconds. So I'm going to paint a French tip in black. Obviously the gels need to go over a black. I'm going to do this on all of the nails except the ring finger. So I'm just using a skinny detailer brush and just marking out how far down. I wanted the nail beds to be quite long. And then I'm going to use the brush out the bottle just to fill in the rest of the nail. And yeah, I'll do the others off camera. They're all going to be exactly the same. Just a nice thin layer of the black. Don't worry about it being patchy because we're going to be covering it. And yeah, so that's them all done. So I'm going to use, this is C008 and this is from the nude. They do a set of 6 nude gels and this is out of that set. If I remember, I'll leave the link to this set below as well. It's got some really nice nude colours in it. And this is what I'm going to use to paint all the nail beds. So again, I'm using the detailer brush just to get that shape. And then I'll use the brush out the bottle to fill in the rest. and I'm going to give this a second coat as well because it is a bit patchy. So I've pulled out the blue, the purple and the green, and I'm just going to put 2 colours on each nail. So this one I'm doing blue down this left hand side. You can use a detailer brush if you're not too steady with the brush out the bottle. Yeah, blue on that side, then green on this side. And then I'm going to alternate the colours on the other nails. You could use any colours you want. I just went for these because I thought they were more galaxy kind of colours. I'm not too worried about the blend either, and just moving some of the colour about with the magnet. Yeah, quite easy really. So that's going to get put in the lamp now for 30 seconds, and I've done the same on all the other nails. I'll just show you doing this one last pinky. So I'm using the purple on the left hand side and the blue. I think the pinky was my favourite nail out of this set. I think I liked the pinky the best. So yeah, you can use any colours, do any shapes you want with the magnets. So that's that going to get a cure now for 30 seconds, and that's all my base colours down. So I'm going to paint this ring finger in black. Just 1 coat because I'm going to cover that in glitter later on. And so now I've pulled out, this is a purple out of the purple set. And I'm just going to paint some planets. These are all just going to be planets. So I've used a dotting tool. I'm just going to tidy it up with a detailer brush. So I'll just let you watch. Initially I'm just going to use all different colours and just paint planets all over the nails. Most of the colours I'm using are Kredioo, but I think there was a blue and a red that I used from somewhere else. So yeah, I'll let you watch for a sec. So that's all my planets painted. I'm just going to add a little bit of detail to them now. So like this one I'm using, this is a milky white out of the pink set of 6 from Kredioo. And I'm just blending that into the purple. And then on this brown one at the bottom, I wanted it to kind of look black shaded in over on the left hand side. So I've just done a black line, and same thing, I'm just fading it out towards the right. And each planet, I'm just going to do a little bit of different detail on each one, just to make them look more like planets and not polka dots. So I've lost my pokey dotting tool, so I've had to use a cuticle stick, and this is just going to be like stars, some bigger spots, smaller stops, you know. What's wrong with me? So we're going to do some 4-pronged stars now. So just a little blob with your dotting tool, and then just use a really skinny brush, pull a line going down, a line going out to the side, and then up, and then out to the other side. And I'm going to do more stars on the other nails. I'll just show you doing this one because they are all the same. You could put as many stars as you want. If you've got star sequins, you could cheat and use them. So I'm going to give these, oh no, this is that milky white from Kredioo out of the pink set. And I'm using this milky white, and I'm just making a little fuzzy, Just makes them stars look like they're glowing a bit, doesn't it? Just a little circle of that milky white in the middle of all these stars. And it just, yeah, I just think it makes them look like they're glowing, doesn't it? I think it does anyway. And what I'm going to do next, I'm going to give these nails a nice thick top coat, just so that I can buff them, get them nice and smooth, because all that artwork I've put on them is a bit lumpy bumpy. So a nice thick top coat, and then I'm going to give them a nice buff, get them smooth. So this is the chameleon glitters I recently got from Colours World, and I just thought this one was absolutely perfect for this set. All the colour shifts it's got just match this set perfectly. So I'm just pouring that into a wet base coat, and then I'm going to stick that in the lamp. I'm going to give it a double cure. Look at the colours on that. It's a beautiful glitter. I love it. Perfect for this set. So this is a matte top coat. I did do these in matte and decided I didn't like them, so then I did them in glossy. But I'll show you both at the end. I'll show you them in matte and I'll show you them in glossy, and you can let me know in the comments which is your favourite. There we go guys, that is them finished. I love how these turned out. I think they turned out really, really smart. Didn't take me too long to do them either actually. That glitter is perfect, I love it. Yeah, so I'll quickly show you what they look like in glossy. So that is them side by side, glossy on the left, matte on the right. Yeah, I'm definitely leaning more towards glossy with this set. Let me know what you think in the comments guys. So yeah, I'll leave links below to this set. And Kredioo have got offers on at the minute. I'll leave all them details in the description box as well. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.